Good morning, everyone. For today, we are going to see like a problem area because I know I have always created videos pertaining to a group or a treatments or a spa product individually. But this is like I'm thinking of making videos of addressing one problem area. So the first one I'm thinking is doing larger pores. So many of you, as we age, our pore size becomes bigger because we persevere more due to our pores getting bigger as we age. So that's the reason we lose the excess moisture, and that causes the wrinkles and fine lines. So pore size, if it is bigger, then sometimes the when the foundation or CCTM goes on top, it won't look like a flawless finish. You will still be able to see that. So today we are going to concentrate on the products that you can utilize to reduce the pore size. So pore size can also be hereditary, so that's another thing we need to consider. As I say, even as we age, we tend to get into more sensitivity and more problems arise as we age, as we don't get newer skin cells. At the same time, our body becomes little sensitive over things. Like if you see mine, being a South Indian, coffee is like my integral part, and these days I'm getting breakouts because if I drink coffee. So I will go for like 2 or 3 days, but then I will give up and drink again. So it will start to break out. So similar way, narrowing down your problem area will really help to address it more. So today we are going to see 5 different products from the Senegen's line that you can use to reduce your pore size. The first one is obviously the detox mask. The next one is resurfacer, and then I have the gold mask and night cream and the silk. So these are the products we are going to see in a nutshell, and you can always go to my YouTube or search here for individual videos where I have gone in depth for each of them. So the first one we are going to see is obviously the night cream. So this is one of the everyday creams here. So every night after you remove your makeup, or whether even if you don't wear makeup, you cleanse your skin twice a day, morning and night, and then you can apply our night creams. These are the evening creams. This is a new dry line one, the new reformulated one. The night creams come in a tub because they are thicker with added Senaplex complex for more cellular turnover. If you don't know what's a Senaplex complex is, it's our proprietary kinetic enzyme that's going to help faster cellular turnover. As we age, we don't get faster new skin cells. So in Senaplex complex is going to boost it, so that way the skin cells are plumpier and make you feel like you had your skin few years back. So and also these evening skincare can last up to 12 to 14 hours to protect your skin from free radicals. So that's the reason I always suggest to my customers, saying that you don't have to wait till night for you to wash your face. If you are home and if you know you are done for the day, then you can even wash it at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock whenever you feel like you have time and you are not tired. That way you have time for the skin to soak in all the moisture. And also at night the skin turns inside out. That's why we ask you to cleanse, because otherwise whatever dirt or anything on the top, it's going to turn, and that's when you start to get breakouts. So always make sure you cleanse your face at night and use a good evening skincare. The next one is obviously our silk pore and wrinkle minimizer. It's a primer, so you can use it on the day you use foundation or CCTM in the morning, or you can use it even without that, because it has a matte finish. So that way you are not going to be very shiny. You can still use it as the last step after you finish your skincare routine in the morning, and this is going to help with pore reduction, and also it's going to give like it also helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So it also helps with tightening, and also it's going to stimulate collagen production. and it also protects you from repairs it from any discoloration that caused due to sun damage. So it's a very nice product for you to include in your skincare. As I said, whether you do makeup or not, having silk is going to really help you in reduction of your pore size. So the next one is my all-time top seller, Resurfacer, which is our exfoliator. It has volcanic ash in it, so from Vanuatu. So it's going to help with exfoliation in with all the added minerals and goodness in it. And exfoliation is always a key in any skincare routine, because if you don't take away all the dead skin cells, that's when your skin start to look dull and patchy. And if you struggle with roughness and hyperpigmentation, acne scars and all, so then Resurfacer, in general, exfoliating is going to really help to remove all those. So this is going to be just twice a week, but it makes a huge difference whether your treatment to penetrate well. When we have the pores getting clogged with dead skin cells, that's when we start to have breakouts. So having exfoliation as part of your skincare regularly, it's going to remove all those, and that's by your skin care will penetrate better to have better results, and also your makeup will look really nice. You don't even need to have too many layers. You can just have like a very thin layer of makeup, but still it will make you feel good. Have never tried Resurfacer, you should ask for a sample and try it. People who have tried it, they have always talked up on Resurfacer. They will say it's like a part of their routine, and it's something anyone in your family can use, and it will last so long because you will use very tiny amount. So this tube will be really like for 6 to 8 months or more. That's how much product is there. So the next one is detox mask. This is again it's a Synergen's detoxifying and moisturizing mask. It's a exfoliator again, but it's a very gentle exfoliator. Here you will apply it as a mask and massage it through your skin, and you let it sit for at least 20 minutes. That's when it's going to become clear, and then you can just add water and wash it off, and it's not going to be drying at all. It will put so much moisture back in it, and also it's going to detoxify all the pores. So that's the main reason here this has been added in this particular line, because here it's going to act as detox for your skin. So it's going to pull all the junk underneath and it's going to bring it out, so that way your pores are clean, and it's going to help it in a very gentle way. So this can be used even by teens. They can apply it like once a week or something, and then their skin will have a really what is it, like a nice clean fresh tint to it. So I always suggest Spartan and Detox for any teens. People with acne or any breakouts, if they don't want to rub using Resurfacer, this is a nice way, because here you can just apply it as a thin mask and wash it away whenever you are ready. It is our favorite gold mask. Who doesn't love a gold mask? I always use it once a week whenever I am getting ready for a party or anything, because here it's so easy. You just apply like a medium thin layer, and then you will peel it off after 20 minutes or so when it dries off. Here it has colloidal gold, that means it's almost like made with real gold in it, and it's going to help reducing the pores and fine lines again, because here it stimulates the collagen production, and it also has cyanopeptides, which is going to help with tightening the skin. All these products are vegan and no animal byproducts and cruelty free products. So it's a nice way for you to add one after the other in your skincare routine, and having a good skincare routine at 40 makes a huge difference, to be frank. As I said, when I was in 20 or 30, I never cared for my skin this much. Like you'll always be lethargic on whatever you eat or whatever you put on your skin. But now that even with you being careful, you still have so many things that goes on. So having a good skincare routine always helps you to bounce back, even if you have breakouts, or even if you have been out in the sun, all those stuff. So these are the products for today. So hope you liked it. I will share also the individual slides for each one of them, so that you can go through, and you can always reach out to me if you have questions. So thank you so much.